Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to whiten your hands on Picsart. So if you want to edit your images and makes your hand looks whiten, and I'm going to show you how through this video. Open the Picsart app first on your phone, and then as always click on the plus icon at the bottom, and then choose the images or photo that you want to edit. I want to choose this one. Okay, so if you want to whiten your hands, just click on the retouch option at the bottom, and then you can click on the and you can just swipe until you found this skin tone option, and then you can choose which of these that you want to use. If you want to whiten your hand, just click on this. Okay, you can just click. You can choose whether you want to auto or manual. I'm going to choose the auto option. Okay, or you can just do this just like this. If you want to choose the manual option, just click on the skin tone and then click on manual and just press it on your hand. Just like so. Let's see the difference. Okay. You can see the difference from before. Just like so. Okay, you can also adjust the hardness and also the opacity. Okay, let's try this again. Sorry. Okay, so just like that until you find it's enough. Okay, so that's it for me. It's so easy, and if you want to save it, just click on the check icon at the top and then click again and click on this, and you can choose whether to the format file of the images that you want to save, and click save. Okay, so that's it for me. If you like the video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.